Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jake Rotunno from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales, and today I'm here with Lynn from Sabre Yachts, and we're going to take a closer look at Sabre's flagship, the Sabre 58 Salon Express.
Thank you for having me. How you doing today?
We're doing good. So let's talk about what makes this 58 so special, some of its key features, and what separates it from the other boats in its category.
I think the first thing that's absolutely noticeable about the boat when you walk down the dock or when you see it on the water is how stunning the boat is from the outside and from the inside. We're going to cover some of that today. We'll show you some of the inside of the boat. We also want to get into some of the features that you don't see that are kind of hidden in this beautiful package.
So as you enter the salon of the 58, one of the cool features it has, it's one of the only Sabres to have an aft galley, which is really nice. Makes it a great open entertaining space, and we got some really cool features here. So you want to tell us some more about it, Lynn?
Kind of starting from the top down, we have an option for these cabinets to actuate down about 6 inches. We understand that they're high in the up position. It also, in the up position underway, gives you great visibility, which is why we offer the drop down actuators. On the starboard side over here, we've got 2-drawer refrigeration. We've got a 2-drawer Sub-Zero freezer with a built-in ice maker as standard. And we have a 2-drawer Sub-Zero refrigerator. So there's plenty of refrigeration, plenty of storage in the galley. We pair the Sub-Zero brand with the Wolf brand drawer microwave, a Kenyon induction cooktop. There's a stainless steel undermount sink here in the corner and some great storage in the rest of the galley.
All right, so sitting here in the salon, we got some cool features we're going to discuss. So we have the option to have the twin barrel chairs right here, or you could have the standard settee on this side and with the standard TV that pops out, which is really nice. It keeps it very clean in here, keeps it very open. You got a lot of natural light coming through these windows.
I think one of the biggest things you notice in the boat when you come on the 58 is just the sheer height of the side windows and the visibility. And it really gives you a great view when you're underway, whether you're at the helm or you're relaxing back in the salon.
So sitting up at the helm here of the 58 Salon Express, so we have this beautiful integrated system of Garmin, Vulvo Penta, all working together with some unique technology. Sabre has got their own new system called Sabre Connect. You want to talk about that with us, Lynn?
The Sabre switching and Sabre Connect systems that are standard on this boat really give great access to the owner of the boat, whether they're on the boat or not. The Sabre Connect system connects through your smartphone, and it can do some really great things, like when you're coming to the boat, you can actually turn on the air conditioners, get the air conditioner cycling, lower the temp of the boat before you even get to it. There's some geofencing that you can do. We never want our boats to go anywhere without us. And if your boat moves off the dock or your boat moves a certain area, your phone will tell you. If a battery gets low, your phone will tell you. These features are a great comfort to the owners of the 58, and it really keeps you in contact with your boat in real time.
Another thing that is really cool about this boat is the Vulvo Penta system. The standard system on here for propulsion is going to be the IPS 900s, which we're going to be doing something unique with our boat we have on order, and it's going to be the Vulvo Penta IPS 1200s. That's going to really be a game changer for the boat and put it at some different performance status I haven't seen yet.
I completely agree. We are anticipating 30 plus knots at comfortable cruise. The standard cruise is 26. We're anticipating probably a little more than 30, but we haven't put the engines in yet.
We will see. We'll be doing another video, I guess, with the new engines in.
We will. So I'm sitting here in what normally would be the bunk room of the Sabre 58. This particular customer was still working. They wanted to work and cruise at the same time. So Sabre was able to customize them an office area. We installed a Corian countertop desk, some storage shelving here, bigger shelves outboard. It's really great to be able to work with a customer and customize a boat for their particular needs.
Thank you for taking an in-depth look at the Sabre 58 Salon Express. Once again, my name is Jake Rotunno from Sandy Hook Yachts. For more information on this vessel, please visit us at sandyhookyachts.com.